channel. So this video is really close to my heart. My most go-to makeup product has to be lipsticks. I think they just brighten up your face like nothing else does. And when you start applying lipsticks, there's absolutely no going back. So in this video, I have tried to cover everything from nudes to dusty pinks, hot pinks, bright reds, some maroons, browns and even some purple shades. So it's going to be a long video, so just hang on there. All the lipsticks that I'm covering in this video are from drugstore brands because high-end मेरे पास है ही नहीं. So all of them are super affordable and around 500 rupees. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Let's start with nudes first. My most favorite nude shade ever has to be Bumble by Colourpop Cosmetics. Now, Colourpop does deliver to India. They do not charge shipping above an order of $50, but they do charge customs, so it's quite costly. If you have a relative there in the US, it's better you ask them to bring it for you. This is a matte lipstick. This shade is so pretty. It's like a dusty rose kind of a nude. It suits all skin tones. So if you are fairer than me or you have a medium skin tone like me, or even if you are darker than me, I think this shade is something that will look beautiful on you in any way. So I absolutely love this shade. Now matte lipsticks do have a drying formula, so it's better to apply Vaseline or even lip balm before you apply a matte lipstick so it isn't too drying on your lips. The formula of this lipstick is not at all drying. If you prep your lips well, there will be no cracks, and this shade is too beautiful and has to be one of my favorite lipsticks ever. The next one is Red Chaos from Lakme 9to5's range. This product is something that I have been restocking for more than 2 years, I think. This is the perfect nude. This is something that you can wear every day. It's a very soft matte lipstick, so it's not too drying on your lips as well. It has a little creamy texture. It goes very smooth on your lips. I love it so much that I'm again out of this product. Next one again has to be a product that I have run out of. It is Maybelline's Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve 1. पता नहीं मैं इसका swatch पे कैसे करूँगी. ये पूरी खत्म हो चुकी है, but you have to take my word on this. This lipstick is very beautiful. It glides on your lips. It is so smooth in texture, and I'll just try कि मेरे hands पे swatch हो जाए. It has a kind of an earthy tint to it. It's very pretty, and I think this is also something that will suit all skin tones. Usually nude lipsticks ऐसी होती है ना, on fairer skin tones they are absolutely nude. On wetter skin tones they kind of have a brown tint, and on darker skin tones they are like a brown. I have run out of this, and this is something that I'm definitely going to buy again. The next one is from Nykaa. It's from their Pout Perfect range and it's called Nude Me Not. Now I love Nykaa's lipsticks. They are so soft and they glide so smoothly. Now this nude you have to take care of. If you are darker than me, it will tend to wash you out. So I won't recommend this one if you have a skin tone darker than me. I sometimes think it washes me out as well, so I use it as a topper on dark lipsticks. This one is matte, but it kind of has a creamy texture, so it has a little sheen in it. Next one is from Maybelline. It's called Nude Nuance. This shade is very pretty. It kind of has a brownish tint to it. It's not a liquid lipstick, so it does not dry your lips at all. मुझे ना lipsticks ढंग से explain करनी नहीं आती, but I'll swatch each one of them on my hands and on my lips so you can see the color yourself. But all the lipsticks that I'm mentioning, I can vouch for their formula and texture. Now this lipstick, मुझे नहीं पता ये कौन सी category में lie करती है, but it's from Lakme's 9to5 collection again. This is a dusty rose color. It's called Rosy Sunday. Along with Red Chaos, this is a shade that I've been restocking for the past 2 years. This is a very pretty warm shade. The next lipstick is by Swiss Beauty. It's in their number 43. Too bad they don't have shade names. This is a very soft pink lipstick. It's something that you can wear every day without worrying it to be too bright. The next lipstick is from Colorbar. It's in their shade Pink Chiffon. This lipstick is matte, but again it has kind of a shine in it. It's very smooth in texture as well. It's like a cherry shade. वैसे reds की category में भी डाल सकती थी, but I think it kind of has a pink undertone to it. And मैं टेढ़े swatches कर रही हूँ. I'm so sorry you guys. This again is very smooth. It looks very pretty, especially when you wear white. I think it just lightens up your face. Next again I have this cherry kind of shade from Miss Claire. It's in the number 35. I think Miss Claire is so underrated. They have some beautiful lipsticks. They are soft matte. They are super affordable. Not at all drying on your lips. See this shade. This is so pretty. It's very light on your lips as well. I totally recommend Miss Claire. Next up, I have this one from the Loaded Bowls collection by Maybelline. It's in the shade 11. It's called Raspberry Rendezvous. Nice name. This lipstick is the most perfect pink. It's somewhere between subtle and too bright. It looks very pretty on. And this is the one that I reach out the most to when I want a perfect pink. Next, I have this one from Swiss Beauty. It's in the shade number 07. इस pink में ना मुझे थोड़ी सी purplish tones लगती है. That is why I love it so much. It's very different. Now that I'm seeing all the pink lipsticks that I have, I feel so good. They're all so pretty. Let's start with reds now. Now the first lipstick is the most perfect bright red lipstick. I think this is the perfect shade of red. It's again by Colourpop Cosmetics and is called Creeper. कहाँ swatch करूँ? This is a perfect bright red lipstick. Colourpop is a super affordable brand as well. If you don't mind the customs, you can totally order from them. The lipsticks cost around $5 to $6, which I think is pretty cheap. Next up, we have Brazen Raisin from Sugar Cosmetics. The formula of these lipsticks is also amazing. They are not at all drying on your lips. They sit for good 5-6 hours with eating and drinking. This is definitely a darker red. It's kind of a maroon, but not entirely. It's like a deep red. If you like deep red lipsticks, you should go for this one. Something very similar to this shade is Rich Ruby by Maybelline again. Maybelline is such an affordable brand and they have such great shades. What's in there? Rich Ruby is definitely warmer and Brazen Raisin is a deep red. This is also very soft, creamy, matte and looks very pretty. पता नहीं मैंने ऐसे क्यों करा. The next lipstick, my best friend has not stopped taunting me क्योंकि मैं हर जगह लगाकर जाती हूँ. Nykaa's Mattelicious Lip Crayons, guys. किसी भी shade में खरीद लो, बस खरीद लो ये lipstick. It is the smoothest lipstick ever. It glides on your lips. They are super pigmented and they have such pretty shades in their range. This one has to be my favorite. छोटी हो गई है बहुत, रोज लगाती हूँ. कहाँ swatch करूँ? Let's do it here. See, one glide and the color is so pigmented. It's so pretty. This is kind of a vampy maroonish red and this is the one I reach out the most. Size से पता लग ही रहा होगा, बहुत जल्दी 2 दिन बाद खत्म हो जाएगी. And this is something that I'm definitely going to buy over and over again. जब तक मैं लिपस्टिक्स लगाना छोड़ नहीं देती. Let's start with browns now. This one is from Colourpop. It's called Top, whatever. मेरे पास जगह नहीं बची है तो हम दूसरे हाथ में स्वॉच करेंगे. This shade is very smooth and creamy. ये इसमें तो शाइन है पक्का. ये this is not totally matte, but if you do not mind shine, this is a very good lipstick. But ये जल्दी भी उतर जाती है if you drink or eat something oily. But it's very pretty nevertheless, so I don't mind it at all. तो वापस लगाती रहती हूँ. Next is this lip pencil from Studio West. मुझे ना ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझ आता. पहले लिप पेंसिल लगाओ, फिर उसके ऊपर लिपस्टिक लगाओ. मतलब मैं लिप पेंसिल अलग से खरीदूं, उससे सिमिलर मैचिंग शेड की लिपस्टिक अलग से खरीदूं. तो ना मैं लिप पेंसिल को ही फिल इन करके लिपस्टिक लगा लेती हूँ. सुपर पिगमेंटेड, इसलिए पूरे लिप्स को अच्छे से कवर भी कर देती है. It's a beautiful dark brown shade. It's completely matte. Does not wear off at least for 4 to 5 hours. It's very pretty. इतनी कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है ना हर जगह. मेरे घर में, साथ वाले घर में, लेन में, एक और घर में, हर जगह थक्स. Again we have Miss Claire in the shade 55. ये ना बड़ा डिफरेंट सा ब्राउन है. थर्ड वाला है इसमें से. The texture is so nice. I really like deep shades on myself. बड़ा conventional brown भी नहीं है. So I really like it. Next up we have this lipstick called Supermodel by Colourpop. ये मेरी मम्मा की लिपस्टिक है जो मैंने मार रखी है. This is the perfect brown. ये वो लिपस्टिक है जो मैं जिम लगाकर भी जाती हूँ. So I am extra like that. This is completely matte. I think it can also work as a nude for people fairer than me. But मेरे ऊपर it comes as a brown. So I have put it in the brown range. जो perfect browns ऑफिस में लगा के नहीं जाते, I think this is the shade. Next we have Chocoholic from the Loaded Bowls by Maybelline again. This is the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. It's a very nice dark brown shade. very creamy, matte, comes off easily. Matte lipsticks usually उतरते ही नहीं है. This comes off easily. It's a very pretty dark brown shade. Winters में especially I love to wear this shade. I think it's a perfect dark brown wintry color. Next we have Fiery Berry from Sugar Cosmetics. This is my favorite lipstick ever. I know मैंने बहुत सारे shades के लिए ऐसा बोला होगा, but no, this one is my favorite. It's a very nice deep purple shade. मैं जबरदस्ती मम्मा की भी लिपस्टिक लगाती हूँ because it just brightens up your face so much. इसे लगाकर गोरे लगते हैं. I have been wearing this lipstick so often to the wedding season and I absolutely love it. Again, the formula is amazing. I think for people who share my skin tone, these deep shades look very pretty and I have covered a lot of them in my video. So if you like them, you can buy them for yourself. All of them are very affordable. That's it for the video, guys. I know this is going to be a long one. This is the aftermath of all the swatches. I'll leave the link to each of the lipsticks in the description box below if you want to buy any of them for yourself. I really hope you enjoyed this video. We are super close to 2000 subscribers, so it would mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any more video requests, please comment down below. Also tell me which is the shade that you like the most and would want to buy for yourself. See you next time. Bye.